Madam na maganda, mabae, sexy, kahit wala lipstick. Pinapaganda namin teacher. Saan ako sinabi po kayo, teacher? Ako sa teacher.
Ay, ma'am, pero itong dalawang teacher na to, pinahirapan tayo. Kasi puro mga formula, chemistry, tsaka physics. Talaga, pinahirapan tayo. Grabe.
Yan yung subject yung kaya tuturuan niya. Okay. Yun nga, mapipilitan akong magsasalita ng mahaba. Kasi gusto ko, malaki ang pasalubong. Okay. Unang-una, I would like to congratulate all of you, especially the organizers. No? Masayang-masaya. Alam mo, the greatest part of a teacher, yung makita yung kanyang product. Pag nakikita namin yung product namin, that is the greatest glory we have as teachers. Okay, kaya pagka nalaman ko ngayon na ang yayaman ng mga estudyante ko, imagine, sabi nga, it pays to be a teacher because walang doktor kung walang teacher. Walang attorney kung walang teacher. Kaya, the noblest job. And I'm proud to be a teacher. Okay.
Pero may doktor na ngayon, kaya pwede nang walang teacher.
Alam mo, sabi nga ng isang author, coming together is the beginning. And keeping together is progress. And working together is success. Kaya, sana, this is just the beginning of your future success. Isipin natin, although ang aim natin is to get together, namimiss na natin yung mga classmates, we would like to reminisce the happy memories we had during your high school days. Pero siguro the ultimate goal of this affair is not just only to be happy, but to help one another. You have to look at your classmates who are not successful as you. Okay, pwede tayong tumulong, no? So this is just the beginning, Alright, so sana, first lang ito, so we should aim to keep it together. So by keeping together and working together, we will attain success. Congratulations!